Here's how to animate a still image. So as you can see my image in my timeline, selecting the image and going to effect controls, and here I'm just turning on keyframe or toggle animation for position, scale and rotation. And here I'm moving this playhead at the end of my timeline, and then I'm just again adding another keyframe for position, scale and rotation. And this time I'm changing this position value. Here I'm just increasing a little bit or moving my photo from top and left, and scale I'm giving here scale 150, and rotation I'm giving 40. And now if I play the timeline, as you can see, a very basic image animation created. That's it.